Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us solve this problem. So here it's given that a is 4xy divided by x plus y, and you have to find the value of this one. So now let us see. First we have to put, wherever you see a, you're going to put this value. So in this place of a, you're going to put this value. So it will be 4xy divided by x plus y plus 2x as it is, divided by again 4xy divided by x plus y minus 2x. Then we are going to think of this one. So again, in place of this a, we are going to put this value. So that is going to be 4xy divided by x plus y plus 2y divided by 4xy divided by x plus y minus 2y. So later on, what are we going to do? Here can we see that there is, whenever there is only in the numerator one number, that will be the denominator is going to be 1, and here is x plus y. So this LCM is going to be x plus y. So you are going to multiply the numerator also with x plus y. Every place is going to be the same. The denominator is going to be x plus y. So now let us plug in the values there. So we are going to write here 4xy plus 2x into x plus y, and the denominator is x plus y. Again, we are going to look for this part. So that is going to be 4xy minus 2x into x plus y divided by x plus y. Now let us see the side part, this one. First we'll look at the numerator. That is 4xy plus 2y into x plus y divided by x plus y. So we can do one thing over here. We are going to write this part up. Okay. And here will be 4xy minus 2y into x plus y divided by x plus y. So what we can see here, now everywhere the denominator, there is x plus y. So that we can cancel it out. So what remains in the denominator, because this can be cancelled, because how, I'll just tell you roughly. Now see, we'll write this numerator as it is, 4xy plus 2x into x plus y divided by x plus y, and this is the denominator, this will get flip over. So what will happen here, x plus y will go in the numerator, and this whole part, whatever this part will come here, that will be 4xy. So what happens here? See here, 4xy plus 2x into x plus y divided by x plus y. Again this part into x plus y, because this is going to get flipped over, divided by 4xy minus 2x into x plus y. So what happens here? This and this is going to get cancelled. Instead of doing this step, we can directly cut these steps. So same it will be for here. So we are going to cancel out. So now we are going to write whatever is in the numerator. Let us write here 4xy plus 2x into x plus y divided by 4xy minus 2x into x plus y, and here will be 4xy plus 2y into x plus y. Again here it is going to be 4xy minus 2y into x plus y. So further what we can do here, we can take, after this step, from this one we can expand this one, or we can take here 2x common. See, can you see here? Here is 4xy and here is 2x. So what we can do here, we can take common 2x. So we'll do here 2x into, so what will remain from this one? 2x is gone, that is the common here. So what remains here is just 2y. Now this plus sign will be as it is. Now 2x is already here. So what remains is in this bracket will be x plus y. So here will be x plus y. Same for the denominator. Again we can see that is 2x is from here, this is the first term and this is the other term. That is 2x is common. So we can write here 2x. And what remains in the bracket is that is 2y minus here. See now, here you have to be careful. So because here is minus here. So there are two terms over here. So either you put a bracket in the next term, this one, or you can put it directly minus into x plus y. So that you can also write here minus x minus y. Or you can just put a bracket first, and in the next step you can write here minus x minus y. So I'm just putting here directly minus x minus y plus 4xy plus 2. Here again we can do one thing, sorry for that. We can take again here also we can take common. So that is going to be, what is going to be common here? In this one and in this one you can see 2y common. So we can write here 2y. For that, and you can write here 2x remains, and here will be x plus y. Again here in the denominator what you can see, again 2y will be common. So you can write it 2x. Again here there is minus sign and here are two terms. So minus into x plus y, that is going to be what? Minus x minus y. So you will write here minus x minus y. So now what you can see from this one, that when you take this term, so what cancels over here? So see here on this step again we'll write here 2x and we'll take the like terms together. So this is going to be what? 2y and this one. So that is going to be 3y plus x. So here will be 2x. Again in this, this is going to be 2y minus y. So that is going to be what? Y minus x. And here again 2y will be here. And here what we can see common is 2x and plus x. That is going to be 3x plus y. And again this 2y is as it is. And what we can see here, 2x minus x, that is going to be just x. So that is going to be x minus y. So here now what we can do here, now we can cancel this 2x and this 2x because we are going to think about this first part. So we can directly cancel this 2x and 2x. Same for this one, this is the second part. We can cancel out this 2y and this 2y. So yes, you can put a bracket over here. This and this will get cancelled. So what remains here is 3y plus x divided by y minus x. And here what will you get here? Plus 3x plus y divided by x minus y. So now look at here. So now what you can see, this is y minus x and this is x minus y. So we can do one thing, we can take minus common over here. So how will you write this one? If we take minus, if we are taking here, let us write this numerator as it is, and we are going to take minus. So you will get in the bracket is x minus y. See here, because this will be minus x, so this is minus x, and this is minus becomes plus y. So because why we are doing this one? Because we want both the places, we want x minus y. So now let us keep this as it is first, 3x plus y into x minus y. So we want the denominator to be equal. So now here is just minus here. So you can put your minus here because see, whenever there is a division sign, either you put minus and is in the numerator and a plus is in the numerator and minus is in the denominator, you get minus. And if it is the other way, at the both places you are going to get minus. So we can take this minus at the top. So this is going to be what? Minus into 3y plus, we can put this in the bracket because there are two terms. And this will be now what remains in the denominator is just x minus y. And this will be first, we'll keep this as it is. That will be x minus y. So now let us expand this one. Now what is that? The common is going to be x minus y because the denominator is the same. So now let us write here this when we expand this one. So minus 3y minus x minus 3y minus x, and this will be what? Plus 3x plus y. So now let us do one thing. Let us take the like terms together. So what will be that? This is going to be Minus 3y plus y means that is going to be minus 2y. Minus 2y. And what is this going to be? Minus x plus 3x. So that is going to be plus 2x. Divided by x minus y. So now this can be also written as here 2x minus 2y because x will be first and the divided by x minus y. We can also write this one plus 2x first because that is x, and this minus 2x because here there is, we can also write in this way. So now what we can see here, from these two terms, 2 is common. So we can write here 2, and what remains in the bracket is x minus y, and the denominator is x minus y. So now this is actually a multiplication over here. So what will happen here? This and this will get cancelled. So this and this gets cancelled. So what remains is 2. So the final answer is 2. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.